The FAA ordered the temporary grounding of certain Boeing 737-9 MAX aircraft operated by U.S. airlines or in U.S. territory. The FAA is requiring immediate inspections of certain Boeing 737-9 MAX planes before they can return to flight. FAA Administrator Mike Whitaker said safety will continue to drive our decision making as we assist NTSB's investigation into Alaska Airlines Flight 1282. The Emergency Airworthiness Directive requires operators to inspect affected aircrafts before further flight. The required inspections will take around 4 to 8 hours per aircraft. The EAD will affect approximately 171 airplanes worldwide. The FAA's first priority is keeping the flying public safe. We have grounded the airplanes, and they will remain grounded until the FAA is satisfied that they are safe. The FAA has approved a method to comply with the FAA's Boeing 737-9 MAX Emergency Airworthiness Directive, and it has been provided to the affected operators. The FAA's priority is always keeping Americans safe. In that spirit, the Boeing 737-9 aircraft will remain grounded until operators complete enhanced inspections, which include both left and right cabin door, exit plugs, door components, and fasteners. The FAA will continue to support the National Transportation Safety Board's investigation into Alaska Air Flight 1282. Every Boeing 737-9 MAX with a plug door will remain grounded until the FAA finds each can safely return to operation. To begin this process, Boeing must provide instructions to operators for inspections and maintenance. Boeing offered an initial version of instructions which they are now revising because of the feedback received in response. Upon the receiving revised version of instruction from Boeing, the FAA will conduct a thorough review. The safety of the flying public, not speed, will determine the timeline for returning of the Boeing 737-9 MAX to service.